He said that this question was asked before, but I was requested to ask once more to Hazur for more clarification. And this hadith said that from Muhammad sallam that Jesus did live 120 years, but I think I will live 60 years only. He said, how can we apply this on the previous prophets?
This cannot be extended to the previous prophets. This is a miscalculation of the people. Either the hadith was not reported exactly as Anand had said, or it's impossible to happen. So, it is impossible to happen that Rasulullah said something wrong. From that I infer that the hadith is true, but the listener may have made some mistake. According to that hadith, people think that every prophet before has a double of age of the prophet to follow. So before Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, how many prophets were there between him and Hazrat Moses? If you keep doubling the ages, then go back from Moses to the time of Hazrat Noah, Abraham and Noah, and keep doubling their ages. The result would be that the first prophet Adam would still be alive, and he would not die even after the Yawm al-Qiyamah. It's evidently absurd, and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam cannot say anything absurd at all. It's impossible. So what he meant only was that this is the relationship between my age and the age of Jesus Christ. And this is exactly what worked out. Amazingly true.